This is the elevator here at Nordstrom at Hillsdale Shopping Center, San Mateo, California.
This guy seems to think that this is just on the outside.
I just know this is just a slap on outside.
I don't think so.
Well, Monty Nerd says this is an original Monty.
Look, 2I and 2.
21.
2 intermediate, maybe?
Maybe it's their mystery Nordstrom stockroom.
Yep, you're right.
Woohoo! Wow, look at that logo.
Oh my god, these lights.
Wow, that's traction. Yeah, look at that, it's brass. Montgomery skirt, what's this? Interesting logo, it's just... Look at that, what's the
Innovation?
Yep.
I want to see if this floor even exists.
Yeah, we go past the floor when the elevator goes by. You can see the...
Yeah, and you can see it in the escalator atrium.
Yeah.
But it doesn't seem to, this elevator doesn't seem to go to it.
Maybe there's another one. Check the phone.
Decent condition.
Oh, Kone. Yeah, this is really nice.
Oh yeah, I should do my cab.
Very cool.